Diane King, and I want to welcome you to the Aroma Share Club. This is August 2015, and we have all kinds of fun, yummy things for you guys to do. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to make you guys a yummy breakfast shake. Or you can have it in the evening for, I'm starving in the middle of the night. So I have my yummy blender here. Love my blender. You guys got to get one. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so what you want to do in these high-powered blenders is you want to put the liquids in first. So I have a 1/4 cup of milk here, and you can use whatever kind of milk that you like, almond milk, raw milk. I love raw milk. And then I'm going to put in my bananas. I just have one banana here. And I have a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and I just did that in one of those little tiny bullet blenders to grind up my flaxseed. So I'm putting that in there. And then I have my tablespoon of chia seed that I have pre-soaked in a 1/4 cup of water. That is really important. I have learned the hard way. If you do not pre-soak it, they don't grind up well, and you just have these little tiny seed things floating around in whatever it is you're making. Let me scoop this out. All right. Then we have 1 scoop of our Slender FX Meal Replacer Shake Chocolate, of course. And then we're putting in a 1/2 cup of fresh spinach leaves. This looks more like a cup, so I'm not going to put quite all those in there, or it'll get too thick. And then I have 4 ice cubes, and these are crushed ice. So, I said 4 ice cubes, but I was thinking those big giant ice cubes in old-fashioned ice cube trays. So, just do it accordingly. Maybe so it has like a 1/2 cup of ice or so. All right. Now, notice I did not put my essential oil in yet. You don't want to, because essential oils will eat the sides of your blender if it is plastic. All right. Maybe. Now I'm going to take my peppermint oil, and this is one of this month's oils. We have 3 oils this month. We have peppermint, to be at peace, and oregano lavender. So all of our food recipes will be done with the peppermint oil, because I don't know about you, but I just can't imagine lavender and oregano mixed together in a food recipe. So we're just doing 1 drop. And one thing I want you to remember is when you're doing 1 drop is you're looking on the edge, not at the hole. And if you do that and you slowly tip it, you can get 1 drop. There we go, 1 drop, yay. Smell it, it'll make you happy. Peppermint is a yummy, yummy oil. And then I'm just gonna blend it for a couple of seconds more. Now you can take your canning jars. Those make fantastic drinking glasses. We love them at our house. And to make it more fun, to make it a special occasion, you can, looks like we're just going to fill up 1 of these. We'll just fill up 1. All right. This shows you how much you have. I want you to be able to see. You can do this for 2 people or just 1 of you if you're really hungry. Now, my daughter, she lives in a duplex, so she just has a little teeny tiny yard, not much bigger than her whole kitchen. But she has fresh mints, and she also has currant bush in her yard. And so you could get some berries or some mint leaves, and if you're having, want to make it more fun, because we always want to make our food fun, right? and put a few berries. You could do raspberries or whatever. So let's see if you can see in there. Can you see that? So this is going to be way yummy for you guys now. I had to try some, and then you have to lick it off. That's the roll. All right, so you guys all have your AromaShare Club. I want you to make this recipe, take a picture of it, and post it on Facebook and hashtag AromaShare. Do it now.